Welcome to our course, Green Economy from China's Stories. In this section, we will learn about the progress and achievements China has made in circular economy. In 2016, world-famous journal Nature published an article called Circular Economy, Lesson from China. The author is not Chinese. He looks at China's circular economy from the perspective of third party and discusses some of the recent results achieved by China in circular economy. The earliest evidence of circular economy in China can be traced back to the 17th century, during the late Ming and early Qing dynasty. Back then, China was still an agricultural society. We developed a circular agricultural economy through mulberry fish pond model. We plant mulberry trees at the bank of fish pond. Then we raise silkworm with mulberry leaves. The feces of silkworms are then discharged into the pond to feed the fish. The sludge in the pond can be used to fertilize the mulberry trees. Mulberry trees then grow more leaves from the nutrients in the sludge. The new leaves are fed to the silkworms. This is how we create a benign cycle between mulberry trees, silkworms, and fishes. This model has very beneficial, both economically and ecologically. This is the case of circular economy in ancient China. There are also many achievements on circular economy in modern China. In 1994, Suzhou Industrial Park was established with the approval of the State Council. We aim to make it a high-tech industrial park with international competitiveness and build a new, innovative, and ecological city district. We adhere to our development ideology that emphasizes environment and ecology. We actively promote the establishment of ecological civilization and discover how to construct an industrial and engineering system that is green, circular, and low carbon. Let's take a look at the map. Here are some industrial parks in Suzhou that are located around Shanghai and radiated to areas surrounding Shanghai. The following is the Suzhou Industrial Park. These photos here are very beautiful. In fact, the cases we just mentioned in Lesson from China are most from the Suzhou Industrial Park. In 2012, the Ministry of Finance and the National Development and Reform Commission jointly issued Opinions on Promoting Circular Transformation of Industrial Parks. Since then, China has conducted multiple circular transformations on industrial parks. By the end of 2019, there are 162 circular transformation pilot industrial parks in China. There are 7 major tasks for circular transformation on industrial parks. Optimizing the layout of existing industrial parks. Optimizing industrial structure. Circulating industrial links. Increasing the efficiency of resource utilization. Centralizing pollution treatment. Promoting green infrastructure. Regulating operation management. These are our major tasks and what we achieved on piloting circular transformation of industrial parks in 2013. Demonstration City for Circular Economy was published. In 2013, the first group of demonstration cities for circular economy was announced by National Development and Reform Commission, including 19 cities and 21 counties and districts. So, in 2013, we have announced the first group. In 2015, the second group of demonstration cities and counties for circular economy was announced, including 26 cities and 32 counties. In 2015, China began the construction of urban mineral demonstration bases. As of this year, a total of 6 groups of 49 urban mineral demonstration bases were established, with their expected requirements met. I would like to explain what Urban Mineral Demonstration Base is. It does not mean that we are mining in the city instead of mining in the mountains. There are many renewable resources in the city, e.g., scrap cars, scrap metal, etc. What we do is to collect them for recycling, like mining in the city. The reason that we establish a national urban mineral demonstration base is to hope that these renewable resource recycling enterprises can play a role as a demonstration pilot. China imposed 7 requirements on these demonstration bases, i.e., interconnected recycle system, reasonable industry chain, large-scale resource utilization, advanced technical equipment, shared infrastructures, centralized environmental protection treatment, regulated operation management. As we can see from the map, there are 3 major regions: Bohai Rim region, the Yangtze River Delta region, and the Central region. In 2016, China started to promote Internet plus renewable resources. In 2016, National Development and Reform Committee published 3-year action plan on Internet and green ecology. According to it, we shall gather information and analyze data through Internet of Things and big data to promote the new Internet and recycle model. Track electronic wastes by electronic tags, QR codes, and other Internet of Things technologies. Encourage Internet enterprises to involve in the construction of urban waste recycle platform. To combine online and offline elements to solve the difficulties on venue, capital, and channel faced by renewable resource enterprises. This case is very commercially viable. We can see that in various communities or subway in Beijing, Shanghai, and other cities, waste resources are recycled easily and effectively through Internet technologies. In 2017, China began to promote Extended Producer Responsibility System, which emphasizes that producers shall be responsible for recycling their products. The responsibilities of the producer include ecological design, use of renewable resources, regulations, recycle information, more transparent information publication. We have specified that the main body of responsibility for resource product recycling is the producer. In plan proposed a government-led, market-oriented principle. We shall specify the responsibilities, promote the plan in accordance with the law, provide effective incentives, and focus on pilot projects. 4 categories of products were our focus, including appliances, electronic products, automobile, lead-acid batteries, and beverage paper-based packaging. After the state announced these plans, the provinces also formulated their own main tasks. To offer detailed task divisions for the 4 categories of products, many governmental departments, i.e., Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Industry and Information Technology, were involved in the recycle of these key products. As of 2019, there are 93 industrial parks in China that are applying for a national ecological industrial park. Among them, 55 parks have been officially approved. Take the case of Tianjin Economic and Development Area. In this figure as an example, it demonstrated many effective measures, including establishing water cycling system to reduce the amount of fresh water needed, optimizing energy structure by using more new energy resources, promote innocent treatment of wastes to utilize wastes as resources, promoting cleaner production and refined management, constantly innovating its system to promote the development of circular economy. In 2019, the General Office of the State Council issued a pilot working plan for building waste-free cities. In April 2019, Ministry of Ecology and Environmental Protection announced the pilot plan for 11 waste-free cities. We can see the pilot cities in this figure. Shenzhen City in Guangdong, Baotou City in Inner Mongolia, etc. There are other cities under this table. We can see that other cities, including Ruijin City in Jiangxi Province, have also promoted plans based on pilot plans for waste-free cities. Many action plans closely related to circular economy were published in 2019. In June 2019, we began to classify garbage by including the domestic waste sorting system in the regulations. By far, there are 46 key cities for waste sorting, pioneered by Shanghai and Beijing. Most capital cities in China have adopted this policy. As we can see from the figure here, we can classify wastes into 4 categories: recyclables, kitchen wastes, hazardous wastes, and other wastes. Trash bins specified for certain category of waste have been deployed in communities we live. We have commenced this important task. We are from Nanchang University. We would like to share the achievements of Jiangxi Province in developing circular economy. We are heavily involved in the remanufacturing of automobiles and engineering machineries. For example, Jiangling Motors in Jiangxi Province has participated in piloting and standardization of automobile remanufacturing. By attracting big enterprises, Jiangling Motors and other enterprises have promoted the development of remanufacturing in Jiangxi. By connecting production and research, a green manufacturing system was made. By establishing platform, outstanding remanufacturing enterprises were attracted to Jiangxi. These are the measures we took to explore pilot sites for automobile and engine remanufacturing. Jiangxi has established an extended producer responsibility system, along with implementation plan, for electronic and electrical products, in accordance with the corresponding national policies. The system aims to guide production enterprises to carry out in-depth ecological design. For automobile products, the system aims to establish information integration mechanisms and strengthen the management of scrapped automobile recycling. For lead-acid batteries, the system aims to guide lead-acid battery companies to form alliances and work together to build a traceability system for the entire life cycle. Jiangxi has explored the enterprise regulation for new energy vehicle, retired power battery recycling. As for the foundation of new energy automobiles in Jiangxi, it is estimated that by 2020, Jiangxi Province will produce more than 500,000 new energy automobiles. We expect that there will be close to 10,000 tons of retired batteries in Jiangxi. In terms of enterprise layout and scale, Jiangxi Province currently has 10 new energy automobile manufacturers and 7 power battery manufacturers. In terms of recycling technology and resource reuse, Jiangxi Province has standardized industry recycling technology and strictly requires enterprises to recycle, focus on energy conservation, environmental protection, and safety. So far, we have made great achievements in National Circular Economy Demonstration Industrial Park, demonstration pilot enterprises, and demonstration cities. In this figure, we can see detailed information and their respective categories and numbers. This concludes the progress and achievements of China in circular economy.